Yep. I don't think I need nothing on the porch. I don't need nothing but a couple of pieces of wood over there. Okay. It's cold. Whew. It stinks in here. Huh?
She said it's the right code.
Nah. Okay, so obviously paint. You know, go ahead and look around. I'm doing kitchen.
Everything stays, the cabin, everything stays the same?
No, everything is, where's the light? Everything is coming up. Oh, ain't no electricity? Everything's coming up. Bathroom, new tile on the floor.
The doors are staying?
No, that door.
You're gonna change them all?
All the doors, yeah, changing. All new doors. New paint. Oh yeah, close this back. Okay.
Instead of full-time work?
Yeah, the bathroom. I want the tile off the walls too. You know what I'm saying?
All of it? Out?
All of it.
And then what are you gonna redo? Tile again?
Yeah.
Just the inside and the rest paint?
Well, actually,
Are you gonna do halfway?
nah, you could just do drywall or maybe tile in the where the tub is at.
Yeah, all the way to the top and over here
Yeah,
halfway.
and then yeah, exactly to the top. Boom, boom, boom,
And all
boom.
the doors are changing, right?
All the doors getting changed. Yeah. Whew, it's cold. Changing these doors.
All this one's
Yep. The lights look fine to me, actually. So you ain't gotta even change the lights. You might not even have to paint the ceiling. What you think?
I think you should paint the ceiling.
Really?
Yeah. Because as soon as you turn the lights on and you paint the walls, the ceiling's gonna look different.
Right.
With the main thing?
Okay, in the bath, in the kitchen.
So we're gonna
Take down all those.
and those two, right?
Everything. I want everything out of here. New floor too.
Demo this one? Or
Yeah.
put on top of it?
No. Take it up.
Alright.
Cause it's already too high. Look at it.
Yeah, it's like inch and a half.
Yeah. Change this door. Well, yeah. Change that door. I think the steps is cool. Just clean. Need to be clean. I'll get somebody else to do the clean out. Furnace is fine. I believe it works. If it ain't, we'll revisit it. As far as the plumbing, I think it's good. Paint down here the same, the usual.
All the ceiling black?
Ceilings. Actually, these ceilings don't look that bad, bro.
Not really at all.
They not net. They don't got all that nasty hanging stuff.
Yeah.
I might leave them how they are and just paint the
Just the wall.
this pink stuff.
What about this wood panels?
What's on the other side? Let's see. Yeah, you can leave the wood panel wood. Yeah.
Or paint on top of it?
Nah, you can leave it. Unless it's gonna be easier just to paint over it. Poured basement, that's good. Got poop everywhere.
Yeah.
The floor be like cream color with the flakes. Plumbing looks good to me. What about you?
Yeah, it's brand new plumbing. Except the sink. I think you should change the sink.
Well, put that in there too. Give me a price for that.
So nothing over here, right? Everything stays the same. How it is.
Well, you know, just paint.
Yeah.
Just paint. And if you see anything that you know that needs to be changed, just let me know and we can adjust the
All right.
adjust the price. Like I don't want to, you know, because I obviously gonna get it's gonna get FHA more than likely appraisal, and it's got to pass.
So you already bought it, or you gonna see?
Yeah, we close tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm doing my final walkthrough. Yep.
So like all this cables right here, we could get rid of it, you know?
Yeah,
Or
take
that
it.
way
Yeah,
The ceiling, it looks
yeah.
all clean.
Get rid of all the wires that don't need to be. Who that on the phone? Oh. This window too, Jabani. You know how to do this? It's broke, just the glass. Oh, can I how do I do that?
I think it's cheaper if you buy the whole window, the full window.
Whatever works. Oh,
It's our time to change this up.
is it possible? How much, give me a price to open this up
Like from where to where?
to the wall?
I can open it like from here.
Nah,
Like from here. Where is that from here? All the way over there.
exactly. So you say you can get it done in 2 weeks?
Yeah.
You sure? Because if you need help, I can get somebody else to take on certain projects.
No.
Okay. 2 weeks. Because,
When do you turn the furnace on? The power?
shit, I'm getting turned on tomorrow.
Okay.
It's all there. It's there. I don't gotta replace it.
Okay, I'm gonna explain you what we're gonna do, and then I'm gonna tell you the price, and you tell me if I miss anything, or I put something extra, or you tell me. Okay, in the basement, we're gonna paint all the walls and paint the floor, correct? And we're gonna
Nope.
clean up the ceiling.
Just clean, yes, exactly.
All right. And then over here in the kitchen, I'm gonna demo the floor, the cabinets, demo all the bathroom, and redo the whole bathroom and the whole kitchen again. Correct?
Demo on the floor in the
Yeah,
bathroom,
and
in
we're
the
gonna
kitchen
put
too.
the backsplash. We're gonna put the kitchen there.
Backsplash, all that.
All
Yeah.
right.
Also, I don't want you see how the sink, I don't want it right there.
You could do this straight.
I want a regular how it's supposed to be. You know what I mean?
You could do it from side to side, from here all the way over there.
That's
All
exactly, yeah.
cabinets.
I want it the regular way. I don't want it like catty corner like that because it's gonna be difficult to get a countertop like that. You know what I mean? So just put it either like the sink over here, or you can put it right here. However, whatever's easier. It don't matter to me.
Well, anyways, I'm gonna damage everything and we do put everything all together. And we're gonna put the exhaust fan for the belt.
Okay.
To shoot it out. Because there's the old one, but I don't know if it's still working or not. Anyways, we gotta break the wall and do the piping. So all this floor is coming out. We're gonna break this wall down.
Correct.
Correct. And
Open it up. Right.
Open it up. We're gonna change all the doors, all of them.
Correct.
We're gonna change that window right there.
Correct.
And all the house is gonna be one color except the ceiling and the trim.
Correct. Trim is
We're gonna
white.
install new doorknobs and all the doorknobs.
New doorknobs, all that.
Yeah, and in the bathroom we're gonna demo everything and we're gonna put everything together.
Uh,
Get everything at once.
Yeah. New floor in the bathroom and on the walls. If I gotta get a tub, I guess I gotta get a tub. Everything works. So, and then let me see if I need any lights. It don't look like I need no lights. I'm gonna change this though.
Okay.
So put that in there.
This one stays, right?
Yeah, you can leave that. I'll just change the handles. Keep it white. Why would they put this in the house though? That was stupid. It stink like hell.
People, you know. I got it already.
Oh, how much? What I owe you? What's the damage gonna be?
I mean, you gonna sell this house?
Of course. I flip houses.
What about here? What about this porch? You see how it's
Oh yeah.
It's
Well,
cracker.
give me a price for that. It's leaning. I think it's, yeah, I don't know what it is.
We gotta take this woods off, and then reinforce the beams here. That way we can have a nice and straight.
And can you, it's too cold to polyurethane it, right?
If you do water base, it's okay. If you do oil base, you cannot do it.
Well, they don't sell oil base no more.
No. But they still have some stock.
Oh, they do?
Yeah.
Okay, well, and there's nothing on the outside that needs to be done. So, yeah, that's it.
I could do the whole side and this 85.
85.
Yeah.
So, okay, Friday.
Friday.
I'll meet you here Friday.
Right, 8 o'clock.
Well, you can be here at 8 o'clock. I probably won't get here till like
Just bring a
9:30. Day one. Whew. Take this sign down. Whew. It's cold as heck out here. What's going on? How's it going? Woo! Got the heat going. What's happening?
Yeah.
This is the
Door locks.
yep. Well, this is for. I didn't see no side door, but
It's the back door.
okay, back door. But this is for the front.
Okay.
Boom, got the digital joint. That way you can use a code to get in. It's a knob there too.
So this one, we put this one in this one, right?
Correct.
This door.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Gotta do it. If you don't, let me know.
Yeah.
Do it for y'all.
Hey.
Yeah. How's it looking? Oh yeah, looking good.
Let me do the paper for you.
Okay, you got it?
Yeah. She's here.
Okay, cool. Appreciate it. I'll get you paid.
Okay.
What's left? Give me like 2,300.
How much you gonna give me now?
23.
23.
Yeah, so just like subtract the 23 from the 85. Hopefully the heat will be on tomorrow. They wouldn't let me
Say,
Huh?
how much you say it was?
23. So that's 62? Correct? Yeah, 62. That's right. Well, yeah, I'm gonna try to have the heater stuff on tomorrow. I got a generator though. I don't know if you can hook the furnace up to that.
No, that's okay. That one's good. So you see.
Whew. What's going on? Cold as hell. Don't worry, I'm gonna get the heat on, man. It should be tomorrow.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, they wouldn't let me do it today. Yep. Okay. All right. Whew. It is cold. I'm talking about extra cold. What's up? Great. Oh, I was just about to take it out. What, you the agent? No, you ain't the agent, are you?
I'm sorry?
You the agent?
No. I'm just the guy that installs and picks them up.
Oh yeah, how much you charge for that?
What's that?
How much you charge for that?
Well, I'm contracted through another company, the American Realty and Morton Realty.
Oh, okay, I got you.
So they pay me.
I got you. All right, cool. Gas still don't work?
I didn't check the gas.
What in the hell is happening in the bathroom?
Oh yeah, remember you were talking about? Come here, Cameron.
That is not how you say my name. You've known me too long for this. What is this?
Come here.
Joe, and then Hannah.
Boy, it don't matter. Is the
Where did they go
kitchen? Or it's one for the kitchen and one for the living room. We can come.
No, because I would say if it's easier, I was thinking like if you put the sink, or you can just put the sink right here.
Because I was thinking the same thing as you, but I was thinking just moving the plumbing over here
And putting the sink where?
and right here, right on the side.
Okay. Dishwasher right here, countertop next to the refrigerator.
Yeah, I think it could work.
Ooh, where you get this from? I need this for my garage.
Little contraption.
That's from the hardware. The Home Depot is like $50.
That's not bad.
I like my new camera. Giovanni.
Oh yeah, still
No.
a phone.
No, you said instead of the phone. You said
Little
instead of the
TV
phone.
camera.
You ever watch the videos, man?
No.
You don't? This guy.
You never give me your website.
Hold on.
Okay.
What kind of supporter are you?
You never send me your
If you don't send it to him, how you gonna know?
That's why. Yeah, I sent it to you once.
Can't you see? Oh,
You see up here? Anyway.
You like that little camera, don't you?
Oh yeah, hold on. Hold this.
You like that little camera, don't you?
How much are you? Where's the one you bought?
This is what I pick up in
I owe you what, 220? Hold this.
Mario, ¿es que está
Let's see.
It got a lot, no?
Oh, it's a lock on it?